You in trouble, miss. Trouble.
Wait, what about Eddie?
Hey, how do I install your look like? Hey. What do you look like? Hey.
Oh my god!
Hey, how do I they told me to install this and there's no CD drive to install this in.
This is stupid!
You sure?
I'm just gonna install a VAS. This is stupid.
I'm pretty sure there's a CD slot somewhere. Let me see. I'll see.
This is stupid.
Hey.
I'm Danny. That's good. That's good. I can't post this on Facebook. People would think we're stupid.
Hi. How you doing today?
Here, try to open it.
I'm gonna show this to your boyfriend, and he's like, "Oh my god, my girlfriend's weird too."
No, we're just drunk.
Drunk off life.
Yeah.
I can't see Amanda. Cause you black.
Oh my gosh.
You don't see me at all. I look normal.
Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Hey, come on.
where's my face?
McDonald's
there
happened.
it is. There it is.
Oops, there it is.
Where's your face? You can't see the other half of Amanda's face.
It looks like my nose is twitching.
Like a chipmunk.
What the heck was that?
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, back to normal.